Tired of wondering if someone's been browsing in secret on your phone? Let's shut down Incognito Mode in Chrome on Android, giving you back total control over your device's privacy. First, let's head over to the Google Play Store and tap on its icon. This will open the App Store on your device. Once inside the Google Play Store, tap on the search bar at the top of the screen. This will activate the keyboard where you can type in your search query. Type Chrome flags into the search bar, and then tap the search icon on the keyboard from the search results. Look for the app called Chrome Flags and tap on the Install button next to it. Excellent! Once the app is finished installing, tap the Open button to launch Chrome Flags now. Inside the Chrome Flags app, you'll see a search bar at the top of the screen. Tap on it to enter your search query. Type Incognito Mode into the search bar. This will filter the flags and display those related to Incognito Mode. Find the flag that says Incognito Mode availability. Tap the drop-down menu below it, which most likely says default or enabled. From the options that appear, select disabled. After disabling Incognito Mode, you'll see a Relaunch button at the bottom of the screen. Tap on Relaunch. This will restart your Chrome browser and apply the changes. And that's it. Incognito Mode should now be disabled in your Chrome browser. Enjoy your more private and controlled browsing experience. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips and tricks.